this video, I will be showing you step-by-step healthy benefit of drinking lemon in the morning on an empty stomach. Make sure you watch till the end. Are you curious to know the healthy benefits of drinking lemon water in the morning? Then this is the right video for you. Drinking lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach has been highly flaunted as one of the unassuming things you can add to your daily routine, which can have a large influence on the health of your skin. This fruit is an unlimited source of vitamin C, vitamin A, beta-carotene, folate, calcium and potassium, just to name a few of the vitamins it contains. When you drink lemon water first thing in the morning, you're feeding your skin an important dose of the vitamin folate. Found in all citrus fruits and juices, this vitamin, also known as folic acid, helps to reduce toxins from your body, which helps prevent acne and can even give your skin a natural glow. In this video, I will be giving 14 proven benefits of drinking lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach. Turns out there are real benefits to drinking lemon water, but some overhyped ones as well. Benefit number 1. Aids digestion. The biggest lemon water benefit may be from the temperature of the water and not even the added lemon. Drinking any water, especially warm water, first thing in the morning can help flush the digestive system and rehydrate the body. Think about this, all through sleep, you typically haven't been drinking for at least 8 hours. Giving the body adequate water when you first wake up is a great way to get your body and your mind going. A college friend of mine who had studied in Japan brought back that habit with her. She said that where she stayed in Japan, it was customary to drink 2 to 3 glasses of water first thing in the morning, and that when she tried it she had noticeably higher energy levels and seemed to have improved digestion throughout the day. Benefit number 2. A natural flush. The liver is extremely active during sleep, since this is the body's time to restore and regenerate. Drinking enough water, especially in the morning, helps make sure that the body can perform these jobs most effectively. There is even some evidence that lemon juice can help stimulate proper stomach acid production and bile production. Benefit number 3. It balances your body's pH. The term pH stands for power of hydrogen, which is a measurement of the alkaline-acidity balance of your body tissues and organs. Ideally, the healthiest pH is slightly alkaline, and even though lemons are acidic on the outside, they're actually an incredibly alkaline food when absorbed by the body. When your body's pH is out of whack, excessively acidic, which can be caused by things like alcohol, stress, lack of exercise and a diet high in processed foods, your body's immune system becomes compromised, leading to inflammation and disease. Incorporating lemon juice and these other alkaline-forming foods into your daily diet will help keep things in balance. Speaking of balance, the smell of lemons may even help reduce stress. Benefit number 4. It boosts your immune system. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that helps ward off disease, and lemons are loaded with it. Just one large lemon contains about 75% of your daily requirement. 1 cup of fresh lemon juice provides 187% of your daily recommended serving of vitamin C, ACS says. Research has shown that vitamin C can help shorten the duration of cold symptoms, and that the best way to reap its benefits is by consuming it in your diet, rather than popping a supplement. Benefit number 5. Brightens your skin. By helping flush the body and improve digestion, lemon water can lead to cleaner skin. It also contains vitamin C, which is needed for collagen production for smooth, healthy skin. Lemons are naturally abundant in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C has been shown time and time again to help decrease wrinkles and reduce the occurrence of blemishes, which we all know are not just a part of adolescence. Lemon water also purges toxins from the blood, which helps keep skin clear and radiant as well. Benefit number 6. It helps with weight loss. Although not understood fully, there are various theories as to why drinking lemon water in the morning may assist with weight loss. Firstly, lemons contain pectin fiber, which assists in fighting hunger cravings throughout the day. Secondly, as lemon water aids in digestion, it can help keep things moving, if you know what we mean, which can assist with keeping our weight balanced. And finally, lemon water essentially has 0 calories, so if you sub out that calorie-rich and sugary orange juice or store-bought smoothie, you'll be taking in fewer overall calories throughout the day. And fewer calories equals weight loss. Benefit number 7. Cleanses your liver and system. That morning glass of lemon water helps flush out the toxins in your body by enhancing enzyme function and by stimulating your liver. Benefit number 8. Provides you with an energy boost. Lemon juice provides your body with energy when it enters your digestive tract, and it also helps reduce anxiety and depression. Even the scent of lemons has a calming effect on your nervous system. Lemons also stimulate energy and can help enhance your mood. How? Both lemons and limes are one of the few foods that contain more negative charged ions than positive ones, which provides your body with a boost of energy when it enters your digestive tract. The refreshing scent of lemon also has mood-enhancing and energizing properties. Its fresh and citrus smell can brighten your mood and help clear your mind. Benefit number 9. Fights colds and flus. We know. It's summer, so cold and flus are not as prevalent. But that doesn't mean they still don't occur. Warm lemon water is recognized as one of the most effective way to diminish viral infections and their subsequent sore throats, body aches and fevers. Plus, with the lemon juice also boosting your immune system, you'll simultaneously fight off these infections from the get-go. Benefit number 11. Keeps your brain healthy. Lemons may be best known for their high levels of the powerful antioxidant, vitamin C, but they also are rich in potassium, an important mineral that works alongside sodium for smooth electrical transmission in the brain and nervous system. It has been shown that foods rich in potassium can also help reduce depression, anxiety, fogginess, and forgetfulness. So, if you're feeling like your brain's a bit sluggish, don't forget to reach for that glass of lemon water tomorrow morning. Benefit number 12. Helps prevent kidney stones. Lemon water helps prevent painful stones in those deficient in urinary citrate, a form of citric acid. More importantly, increased fluids help prevent dehydration, a common cause of kidney stones. Benefit number 13. It may help you look younger. Another benefit of vitamin C's free radical fighting power is that it protects against skin damage. Of course, it's normal for your skin to gradually lose its elasticity with age, but too much free radical exposure, think pollution, smoke, radiation, UV rays, etc., accelerates the aging process. Antioxidants, like vitamin C, help keep these toxic molecules in check. Vitamin C also boosts your body's collagen production, helping to build healthy tissue and keep skin strong and resilient. Here's a plan for protecting your skin from free radicals. Benefit number 14. But it's not a miracle elixir. While some have gone so far as to claim that lemon water can cure cancer, that's not true, Axe says. Lemons contain cancer-fighting antioxidants as well as compounds that have been shown to kill cancer cells, but only when used in concentrated amounts. Instead, he recommends that no surprise you should be sure to pair your lemon water with a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Bottom line. Are the health benefits of hot lemon water often dramatized? Probably. But lemons also have tons of nutritional benefits, so adding it to your daily diet does have some real health perks. How to enjoy lemon water. Simply squeeze half of a lemon into a glass of water. How much? When? It really doesn't matter. Any way you do it, it's a big plus for your health. Don't forget the peel. Capture the rich nutrients by zesting your lemon organic, please, and using in baking or cooking. Will it hurt my teeth? Theoretically, lemon acid can be harmful to your enamel, but you're diluting it here. As long as you don't make a habit of sucking on lemons all the time, you should be fine. Packed with all the goodness, make it a point to begin your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Its cleansing and healing effects will have positive effects on your health in the long run. However, it is very important to note that when lemon juice comes directly in contact with the teeth, can ruin the enamel on the teeth. Hence, it is advised to consume it diluted and also rinse your mouth thoroughly after drinking lemon juice. Lemon water, the bottom line. It is always important to support our bodies by drinking enough water, especially in the morning. Lemon water won't be a miracle cure, but it might be a better alternative to caffeinated drinks, especially for those with adrenal problems. One caution. I've found that starting to drink water first thing in the morning when you aren't used to it can cause a few minutes of nausea, so it might be a good idea to start slowly and not used to drinking this much. Thanks for watching this video, I hope it was helpful. If you any other benefit of drinking lemon in the morning, you can always drop it on the comment box.